Going over Tesla now. Today is May 12th, 2025, and Tesla here is up about 7% at $318 per share. I mentioned before that below the 200-day moving average was a really good dip opportunity. Even below 250 down to about 213. That was probably one of the best dip opportunities. And again, didn't mind adding a small position while we were below 293, 292. That's where the 200-day moving average was, right? And I said keep an eye out for a break above the 200-day moving average. Here we are now with a gap all the way up to 313 and above 313 here. 313 could be a potential support to keep an eye out for. If for any reason there is going to be a pullback, you can keep an eye out for the 200-day moving average to be a potential support level as well. I'm also viewing 307 as a possible support level. Moving forward, I don't mind adding as long as we are between 313 and 293. I personally don't want to add too much of a position between 313 and 355. Possibly maybe a tiny position. But again, I already mentioned that I think the really good dip opportunity was down here, especially below the orange line or closer to it, right? Now I'm looking for 313 and 355 to be tested. And again, I mentioned this in our previous videos as well. 313 to 355 is my personal prediction here for Tesla going into the next couple of weeks here. And I'm going to see if we can range up towards 355 from our current price here of 318 all the way up to about 355. It's going to be an additional 12% move towards the top side. Eventually, at some point during this year, and this is just my opinion as well, I believe we are going to get a test towards 406 resistance, and then keep an eye out for 488, the all-time high, to be tested as well. So potentially an additional 27% to about a 53% for the remaining of this year. If you are looking for that pullback, again, the 200-day moving average I think is going to be a pretty good support level to keep an eye out for, and possibly another dip opportunity if there is going to be a market pullback. It's only going to be right around an 8% pullback. Okay, so up to an 8% pullback. Not saying it's going to be guaranteed, but within those ranges there, I'd much prefer an entry rather than, again, above 313. So as of right now, I do have a pretty decent position for Tesla for long-term investing. And then again, I'm just holding long-term. But if I was looking to swing trade, again, like I mentioned, I think 313 to 355 is a pretty safe bet in my opinion. And of course, I am also keeping an eye out for the resistance here of 355 to break above. Once this occurs, watch for the move towards 406 and 488. If you are in Tesla, let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments and what your average is as well. And if you haven't joined our Discord yet, link down below in the description. It's free to join. It's a public due diligence community. You're more than welcome to check out our Tesla chat section as well. We have over 32,000 members. And again, like I said, it's free to join, share due diligence, and read up on articles and things that people share, their opinions. Also, technical analysis are posted daily for Tesla there as well. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe if you want to turn on the notifications. I do make Tesla videos on a daily basis, so if you guys do want to support the channel, please feel free to like the video. If you haven't joined our Patreon yet and you're interested, feel free to check that out as well. It's optional. We do have live entries and exits on stocks and options. Currently a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Anyone that does join gets to keep the membership at that current price permanently.